Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you, does Clickfunnels have a CRM? Now, a lot of people are asking this question. Well, in Clickfunnels 2.0, you actually get a CRM, which is really sweet if you want to manage your client relationship management. So basically, you can go to your Clickfunnels and all you have to do is just log in. And as you can see right here, features CRM are coming soon. So this CRM tool is coming soon, is still not available for most people, but as you can see, this is coming soon to Clickfunnels 2.0. Now, as you can see, getting new customers is great, but keeping customers is the key to real business growth. Now, the good news is building a relationship with your customers have never been easier with Clickfunnels CRM. So as you can see, you will be able to gather insights on your contacts activity, build stronger relationships, and also have personalized communication like building report, documenting, accountability. You can track clients' progress over time, whether the client has been closed or not, what point of selling process you are in. As you can see, managing contacts in one spot. So basically, this will be soon available with Clickfunnels 2.0. Now, as you can see, here are just some of the things that are already available in Clickfunnels 2.0. So if you have any questions, definitely comment down below. But other than that, yes, Clickfunnels does have a CRM that is coming soon. So definitely wait for that. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.